Welcome to KanmaCan Fitness. Welcome to KanmaCan Fitness. I'm Chikama. This is a gentle stretch and recovery flow. Follow my voice, move slowly, and breathe. Begin lying down. Spinal twist. Lying on your back, knees into chest. Drop knees to the right. Turn your head left if it feels comfortable. Breathe here. Halfway. Sink a little deeper on each exhale. Let the lower back soften. Slowly bring your knees back to the center and drop your knees to the left for the other side. Seated forward fold. Extend legs, hinge at the hips, reach towards your toes. Keep a soft bend if needed. Soften your breath. With every exhale, ease a little further into the fold. No force. Rise up slowly to a neutral seated position. Open your chest. Chest opener. Clasp your hands behind your back. Lift the chest. Gently draw shoulders together. Breathe open. Feel the front of the shoulders lengthen. Keep the neck long and relaxed. Release your hands. Bring your knees in for the butterfly stretch. Butterfly stretch. Soles together, knees wide. Hold the feet and lengthen through the spine. Allow gravity to do the work. Relax your hips around the breath. Slowly release and lie back down, or take a seat for breathing. Deep belly breaths. Inhale slowly through the nose for 4 counts. Hold 1. Exhale for 6 counts. Repeat. finally open your eyes. Thank yourself for showing up. If this felt good, like and subscribe for more recovery flows. See you next time. Get strong, subscribe, and watch this next workout.